Hello everyone! Welcome to OET Answers. As a medical professional, we all know the medical condition, but when it comes to saying it properly, we make mistakes due to lack of vocabularies. In this series, you will be learning how to express a medical condition properly. It will give you the confidence to speak about a particular condition without any difficulty, especially in OET speaking. Let's jump right in. 6. Acute pancreatitis. Acute pancreatitis is a serious condition where the pancreas becomes inflamed over a short period of time. Most people with acute pancreatitis improve within a week and experience no further problems, but severe cases can have serious complications and can even be fatal. Seven. Addison's disease. Addison's disease, also known as primary adrenal insufficiency or hypoadrenalism, is a rare disorder of the adrenal glands. The adrenal glands are two small glands that sit on top of the kidneys. Eight. Alcohol-related liver disease. Alcohol-related liver disease, ARLD, refers to liver damage caused by excess alcohol intake. There are several stages of severity and a range of associated symptoms. Nine. Allergic rhinitis. Allergic rhinitis is inflammation of the inside of the nose caused by an allergen, such as pollen, dust, mold, or flakes of skin from certain animals. Ten. Allergies. An allergy is a reaction the body has to a particular substance. Substances that cause allergic reactions are called allergens. Allergic reactions usually happen quickly within a few minutes of exposure to an allergen. Thank you for watching. If you feel this video is useful to you, please subscribe to OET Answers. See you soon with the continuation of this video.